Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe Rady from Rady's Rides. I'm back here at Jerry Ohm Dodge, and we have a new color for a Charger for 2020. This is a, like I said, 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack in Sinamon Stick. So first was available on the Challenger, now finally on the four-door muscle car. But what I want to do is I want to try to wrap our minds around, is this 2020 Charger Scat Pack, is this the best performance four-door? Not muscle car four-door, not muscle car, not car, performance four-door car. So that means you open up the gambit to any brand that makes a performance four-door sedan. Is this the best bang for your buck? But let's talk a little bit of history real quick, because you know that's how I like to bring it here on Rady's Rides. Charger's been around since 1966, has gone through some changes throughout the years, but boy oh boy, did Dodge do an amazing job bringing that Mopar or no car philosophy with four doors. I know a lot of people want to see a two-door Charger. I don't think it's ever going to happen, but what I want to do is we're going to look at this one, point out the things that I think make it that performance sedan to buy, especially for your hard-earned money, and then definitely we're going to show the performance when we do some on-throttle action. So let's go ahead, dive into the Sinamon Stick Charger Scat Pack. Right off the bat, that color really sparkles nicely here in the Florida sun. I think that it's a long time coming for them to bring this color. Now, what I love about up front when it comes to performance is you're gonna get a lot of functionality from the different openings, air openings. So obviously, these are functional to bring air for that massive radiator, because remember, there's no replacement for displacement. That's the old adage. Underneath that hood, 392 cubic inches of V8 power. So all of this is functional. Very, very aggressive looking, very, very performance oriented. You are going to have your functional fog lamps down below, and even the way that they do the headlight housing, I like the design of it. And many would say, hey, this is getting a little long in the tooth, and maybe it is when it comes to styling and the chassis that this rides on, but these are still selling like crazy, and I think a lot of it has to do with that value that it brings. Now, when we get up onto the hood, you have this functional hood scoop, nice big bulge, that brings in, lets you know that this has performance. Usually just a flat hood, you'd be like, what is that? But boy, oh boy, when you see that raised center area, all the people love the look, and you're gonna have that full functionality that really, to me, screams performance and shows the capability right off the bat, just of the looks. Now, when we come around the bend and we're talking about wheel and tire setup, you're gonna get a nice 20-inch wheel, 245 on the width, 45 series sidewall, and look, there's some more performance. You're getting Brembo calipers. Even though they're four-piston, they're still Brembo, still a solid caliper there to clamp down on those slotted and ventilated rotors. Remember, we're trying to balance values. So, of course, you can go bigger with your braking capability. If you go wide body, you get six-piston calipers and all that. But from a value standpoint, I think this is a great balance. Good-looking wheel, great calipers there. And I'm telling you, I can't stop looking at this Sinamon Stick color. Love the 392 Hemi badge. Remember, 392 cubic inches. This is the largest engine that they produce over at Dodge. It's larger than the Hellcat, because remember, that's a 6.2 liter. This is a 6.4 liter naturally aspirated V8. From the side, I think one of my favorite things that draws my attention to the car is the way they have this cove area. Really kind of goes well with the body lines and shows a lot of definition. You're gonna get that four-door flexibility. We come out back, same thing out back. You're getting those 20-inch wheels. And even out back, you know, a lot of companies go cheap on the rear calipers. They do a standard stock sliding caliper. You got your Brembo calipers out back and slotted and ventilated rotors just like up front. 245s all four corners. If you want more rubber, then you're gonna have to go wide body and get the 305s. But remember, we're talking about value. When we wrap it out back, no performance cars without some type of spoiler, so you're gonna get that classic muscle car, flat black trunk lid spoiler. Love the Scat Pack badging, just like up front. We got the Bumblebee doing a nice little burnout there. But really from the back, I always have loved the way that they work the LED lighting. Really gives it a unique identity, of course, especially at night. And then you're gonna get a nice oval slash cut tip, one on each side, gonna give you a nice throaty roar. But why don't we go ahead, since we're talking about performance, let's pop the hood and see that 6.4 liter Hemi V8. All right guys, we got that hood popped, Mopar or no car. underneath that hood, like I said, 6.4 liter naturally aspirated V8. I love the powered by SRT badging on there. Remember, SRT is that performance branch of Dodge that brought us the Viper, bought us the SRT4, Demon, Hellcat, and of course the Scat Pack. So you're looking at 485 horsepower, 475 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to one transmission and one transmission only. That is that ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. You're gonna get great shifting action. MPGs, that's where we're gonna get a little bit of a hurt. So you're basically looking at 15 in the city, 24 on the highway. But remember, this is a performance-oriented car. 0 to 60 in about 4.2 seconds. And that really is gonna allow you to have the flexibility of the four doors and have the performance. But wait until you hear the price. But before we get to that, let's fire up this Hemi and hear what it sounds like. All right, guys, we're inside the 2020 Sinamon Stick Charger Scat Pack. I know you're at that point where you're like, Joe, if you're talking value, you got to mention the price. MSRP, remember that's MSRP, is $45,000 for the way that this one is trimmed out. Let's see what you get for the money. I think you're going to be surprised. To the door panels, soft touch material across the top. Love the Alcantara with the diagonal stitching. Plenty of storage in that lower door pocket for those race-winning hot dogs, and a nice bottle of Mountain Dew to wash it all down. Now, when we get to the dash, you got that nice 392 with the Bumblebee there, that Scat Pack Bumblebee. One of the things that adds to the value of this vehicle is this infotainment system. So this is the UCONNECT 4. It's an 8.4-inch system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Do we have navigation? Of course we have navigation. You could go into your different AC controls, very easily done. And even the reverse camera, not the clearest, but it fills up the whole screen, and I really like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the park. As you drop down, we do have launch control, and you have your different drive modes. So you're gonna have launch control, line lock, you could do that smoky burnout. This also has the performance pages, and there are our different drive modes. I love the way it shows your 392 naturally aspirated 6.4 liter V8, really, really cool. And that adds to the value when you have that ability to select different things. Now you have a 12 volt, nice little cubby, you could fit 3 Twinkies. This is gonna control that ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. Standard Dodge key fob, nothing sexy really about it, but you know, you do have remote start, which is great. This is gonna be where you keep those breath mints for the people that you smoke off the line at the drag strip. 2 cup holders, nice sliding lid. Love the soft armrest. You open it up and you got plenty of storage in here. And look, here's your friends that you're gonna go drag race with every day. Let me show you on the back. You could actually go drag race these people too. So everybody who drives a Mopar loves to drag race. That's like an unwritten rule. Close it up, seats. They are full cloth, but you know what? They're comfy. I love the embroidery, and you get that classic houndstooth stitching. Now, if you want leather, of course, you could pay more and get the leather, but at $45,000, just on the passenger side, you're getting a lot. Come on over to the business end. I want to show you behind the wheel of this value price performance 4-door sedan. All right, guys, behind the wheel of this 2020 Charger Scat Pack, I love that you do have full power assist, which is great. And of course, no performance car is without its aluminum brake pedal and throttle. Remember, this is an automatic. My only zonk is I wish there was a larger dead pedal, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. Steering wheel has a great thickness. The paddles are another zonk. They're small. For a performance car, I would like a little bit larger paddle. Steering wheel, standard round steering wheel, but I love the gauges. Instrumentation is spot on the money. You got that retro analog look with the digital look in the center, and the great news is you could go through a ton of information, and it's nice to have a performance car that gives you all the gauges. Very nicely done, tons of headroom, and of course, you're gonna have the flexibility of the back seat. Let's go get in that back seat and see how much room there is in this Charger. All right, guys, back seat time, and you know what? This is where you're gonna really reap big rewards because your passengers have tons of headroom. I'm 6 feet tall. You do have pockets, and you know what? They are leather. You could put some Slim Jims in there. Maybe get a book about drag racing and have your passengers learn about that performance of Mopar or no car and what that means. 2 USB and rear AC vents, which is wonderful. And then to top it off, you do have a center armrest. Now it is cloth. It's probably gonna get gross with people's sweaty arms, but you know what? It's nice to have the armrest. You flop it back. Why don't we go ahead though? Let's show off the trunk, and then we're going for an on-throttle ride. So let's go check out the trunk. All right guys, one of the most important parts of any four-door car is gonna be that trunk. You open it up, look how wide, look how deep. The seats do a 60-40 split, so you got plenty of room to put some slicks back here, to go to the strip and really just crank out those fast times, because I know you live your life a quarter mile at a time. How many feet are in a quarter mile? Yes, you in the back. You're correct, 1,320 feet. But why don't we go ahead, let's go measure out 1,320 out on the road here and do an on-throttle performance drive. Let's go do it. All right guys, we left Jerry Home Dodge. We're in the Dodge Charger Scat Pack. On throttle, here we go. Yeah. Love the fast shifts from the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. And if you do it right with your right foot, getting the power to the ground is actually not too shabby. Let me do one from a dead stop here if we can and see how that goes. At least a slow roll maybe. So let me slow down here, slow, slow, slow. On throttle, smoke them up a little bit, yeah! That rear wheel drive sedan just, it puts a smile on your face a mile wide, and that's what's so awesome about this car. It's got so much personality. I really don't know many other four-door performance sedans that have this much personality. The burble, the bark, the bite, the hood. The UCONNECT system is phenomenal, especially with the performance pages. You got launch control, you got line lock. I mean, they really have you covered here from every which way. But let me go ahead and turn right here. On throttle. There we go. Nice. And you know what? If you want a little bit more performance, like say for actual traction, you could go with the wide body. It's gonna cost a little bit more, but you do get a bunch more going that route as well. So that's another nice thing, is that this isn't the end all. I just chose this specific one, this Scat Pack narrow body, especially the Sinamon Stick, new color for 2020, to really showcase what it's bringing performance-wise. Seats are comfy, you got plenty of room for people in the back. There's so many performance sedans that we have reviewed on Rady's Rides where you gotta compromise. I really feel there's not a lot of compromising going on in this vehicle, really. All right guys, once again, on throttle. Fast shifts from that ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. I'm telling you, we're talking nanoseconds. But if you look at the smile on my face when I was doing the on throttle, you just feel badass in this car, to be honest with you. And for $45,000, that's not a lot of money to be able to feel badass. And I like that. That's another check mark to check off the list there. But having everything laid out the way it is, getting to the UCONNECT 4 system is easy, it's intuitive, it makes sense. I think for the money, like I've said, they really brought it big with this Charger. All right guys, one more time. You want the performance? On throttle. Nice, really nice. The way this car delivers the power, naturally aspirated. You're not waiting for turbos to spool up. None of that. It just gets down to work, down to business, and you are off and running. Speaking of business, we need to get back to Jerry Home Dodge and wrap this one up, so I'll see you in a split second. Right, guys, it's been a great day here at Jerry Home Dodge. I definitely want to thank J-Rod, the rest of the crew, getting us access to this 2020 Charger Scat Pack. Really shows what you're getting for your money, hard-earned money, lots of performance, and definitely I gotta add it to Dodge for bringing out this Sinamon Stick color. Classic color, classic names. There's so many to choose from. Frostbite, Hell Raisin. I mean, Go Mango. The list goes on and on, but I'm telling you right now, for $45,000, there's not a lot of other four-door performance sedans that are going to be able to touch this performance car. But if it's things like this, these reviews where we kind of take an idea and give it a different spin and try to answer a question for you, if you want to keep seeing that Ladies Rise, leave a comment in the comment section. If you're new and you're on your way out, hit that subscribe button. I promise you it's worthwhile. Come back for more. If you are a subscriber, thank you for being part of the Ladies Rise family. If you want to help us keep making great content just for you in the channel, click the link in the description, get yourself some Ladies Rise merch. Got to give it to Victor, working that camera, wearing the crown, fighting off the security guards, and everything else that we do here on Ladies Rise. Thank you for your hard work, Victor. And just like always, guys, I'll see you on the next ride.